Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Essie Velma and thank you so much for stepping into this video. Guys, mnaendelea aje, mko aje? As for me and my house, we are doing fantastic. All thanks to God. All thanks to God, guys. Guys, anyway, thank you so much for stepping into this video. By the way, before we even continue, let me take this opportunity, guys. Can you imagine? One of my videos has over 1,000 views. Guys, thank you so much for everyone who consumes my content. I really don't take it for granted. I'm so happy. That was the least thing I was expecting, but woola, even you guys can see we are 1036 views. Hey, for the last 1 month. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm excited. You guys, this is how you feel when you have people who watches you. Hey, I'm so blessed and I'm thankful to God. So if you're watching this and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Someone is calling me. Sorry guys for that. Nilikuwa nimesahau kuweka airplane mode. That is what I do when I'm recording. I switch off my phone because I don't want distraction. Anyway, in today's video, guys, I did a grocery haul yesterday. So I want to show you guys how I organize my grocery and how I arrange them in my fridge. Because, yeah, they're not a lot, just for me and my daughter, but it saves us. It saves us. And anytime, I love bulk shopping because it's so rare you find me in our kibanda here buying things. The only things that I buy in our kibanda are mboga za kienyeji. Other things I buy from the market. So yesterday was market day and I took the advantage of purchasing. So I washed them yesterday at night, and I peeled the peas, that is minji, bado jana usiku. So yes, guys, something else. I don't put things in my fridge if they're not clean. So I have to wash them for easier consumption, guys. Sometimes you will just want to grab something and eat. So when you don't wash them, it will be a disaster. So without any further ado, let me turn the camera and show you guys the things I bought and how we store them. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. Guys, we start with this. I bought some onion. Vitungu at least zimerudi, but ukibai kwa soko is when you get a deal. Like this one, these are very nice size, of which me I use 2. Me I can't cook with 1, so I use 2. 2 is okay. So I bought these. These were for 20. I guess 20 ama 20. And I bought for 150, and then I got kitungu saumu for 20 bob each. Alafu I bought some waru. I love these big warus because of chipo, but it's been a minute since I cooked. And then I was brought some waru. You know guys, cash crop ya Nyamdaro hizi kosa kwangu kwa hii nyumba yangu because of baby Naila. And yes, so this one I arranged jana usiku, and the last one haina kitu. Yes, so ndio hizi zingine. This is literally what I bought. So I bought a cabbage. This was 30 shillings ama 20. 30 shillings. And then this one is that nimeitoa tu sahi hapa. And then I bought this watermelon. My daughter loves watermelon so much. Ilikuwa kwa fridge already, so haikulala hapa. It's so cold. I love cold watermelons. So I bought this one at 50 shillings. And then I bought rosemary's kama kawaida. These are a bunch of 20 ama 10 I think. And then some mishiri. This one was 50 shillings. And then minji. Guys, I'm craving some mokimo, so I don't know if I'm going to make some mokimo. Hey guys, let me take this opportunity and feel myself kidogo. These nails are giving rich auntie vibes. So I bought 2, hazikuwa zimedondolewa, mi ndio nimezidondoa. A 2 kg can, so nikabuy 2, 100 bob each, and it's a lot guys. Ukinunua zenye zimedondolewa izikwangi mingi hivi. So this one was a plug. These I bought 2 for 200, and then I bought ndania. Can you guys imagine, hizi zote ni za 10 bob? All of these, they're for 10 shillings. I bought some carrot. Guys, can you live without carrot? Mi siwezi ishi bila carrot. Hizi zote nilibuy 50 shillings. And then our nyanya, I had already washed them na nikazistore mali zinafaa. Very good size. Nilibuy a kilo for 60, so I bought 3 kg. And then we have our hoho. I love hohos so much. So this one we are going for, and it's a very big size guys. Can you see? Very big size. Kwa shop, kwa what is it called? Shop kwa estate, it's 10 bob. Na nilibuy tatu 20 ama 55, not sure, 20 ama 55. So I bought quite a number kwa sababu me I really love cooking sometimes, not all the time. And then I bought these bananas. They were tushakula tumekula kadhaa. They were 5 shillings each, and yes, not bad. These ni zile mandizi zinakwanga na sura mbaya nje, but ndani they are yummy. So yeah, these more hohos. And then I bought pupos. Guys, me I love pupo so much. Hii hata inafaa kukuliwa. Jana ilifinywa. Naona hapa imeenda chini. Ilifinywa na machungwa mali nilikuwa nimeziweka. Guys, I'm sorry for the noise. There is a vacant house huku kwetu, so it's being constructed. Hata hao mafundi ndio waliniamsha leo, wanagonga gonga. Anyway, this one we are going to eat today. So I bought, this size was 30 shillings ama 50. So this one I bought 3, this one, and this one. Very big size, going for 50 bob. Hata maybe unaweza pata 50 ama 30, I'm not sure. And then since Alice, she's currently anamwaga machungwa, as in vitunguu zimekosa, so we are doing oranges. And kama kawaida, you have to promote your friend, and I got all these for 50 shillings. All these for 50 shillings. I gave, I guess 2 or 3 I gave my friend. Tulipatana naye kwa gate, nikamwambia apelekee mtoi wake, so nikampatia kama 3 hivi, nikamwambia hebu shika pelekea baby hizi. And yes, so let me show you how the fridge looks like and how we are going to organize all these. Yeah, they're like that. So guys, this is how my fridge looks like. Hii nimetoa kwa sababu nilikuwa nimeweka hii. Oops. Kai, sivunjike. Hii ni ya ring light hapo. My freezer has nothing. So, yes. Of late, I rarely cook cereals in bulk. Munaona wase hatuko na chakula. So, hizi ni zile carrot zilikuwa zimebaki. Some nyanya zenye zilikuwa zime overripe. So, hizi nilikuwa nataka kupika. I didn't cook, guys. I didn't cook, so nikaziweka tu hapa. Hizi niliona jana ziko na dent. That's why niliweka hapo. If I'll cook, I'll start with them. And then I really love cold water, so I store a lot of water. And then we have a soda. Yes. Alafu tomato ya naila hii imeisha. And then we have chili sauce, guys. Chanashike hivi. This chili sauce. Aka kakitu ni kamoro. Aka. Definitely going to buy more water. More water. So, yes. Let's arrange this fridge together. So guys, since our nyanya was ready, nilikuwa nimezitoa ndio nionyeshe. Hii we just pop it. And guys, can you see the way they are clean? You have to put your things clean. And then something else, I dry my things before nizieke kwa fridge. Niliona zinakaa sana and they rarely spoil. So ukizieka na maji ndio zinaharibika. But ukizieka zikiwa dry, they rarely spoil. So if you want mtia more, try that one. Try that hack. You see if it's gonna work with you. So this is where I put my carrot, and so let's do them. Let's do it. Hizi zenye zilikuwa zimebaki tutaziweka juu. We'll cook them first. They have a kaminjiko. Kama iko na maji, I'll have to dry it. So guys, this is a very important thing. This is how I store my danias. Coriander. Now, chanwalalisha hapa chini. As you all have seen the previous clip, tumeosha na tukakata stem zote. Now, I have cleaned them. They are now clean. Alafu nikaziacha for some time zimwage maji. Okay? Yes. So, let me show you how I do it. So I take my serviette. You can use a paper, a kitchen towel if you have. So take 2, depending na dania zako ziko aje. So I want to split them into 2. Yeah. So bunch 1 and bunch 2. You see guys? And then you wrap. That is 1. Second one. You repeat the same. And after like this, you put them in a Ziploc. Alafu you make sure Ziploc yako haina hewa ndani. Doesn't have any air inside. This is nimeweka gani? These things of mine zimeharibika utu to locks. I think I need to get others because they really come in handy. This one is not helping. Let me change. And there you go. Nishiri nazo natoa hizi za juu na za chini. Za juu na za chini. For to make my work easier. Maybe when I want to cook and I'm in a hurry, so I'll just pick kata ama nizipike zikiwa hivyo mrefu. So, yeah. Mishiri ready and ready to be stored. So guys, this is how I store my grocery. Minji, we have 3 bags. This one needs to get inside. We have 1 bag of hoho. We have a bag of rosemary, bag of carrots. Hizi hakuna kitu nafanyanga. Maybe kama nimekata is when I'll put them in a foil. No, is it foil ama? Yes, this thing. And then what is it called? Melon. Ingekuwa mzima ningekata tu mara mbili hivi and then niifunge. Alafu meshiri and ndania venye tu nimewashow. Yeah, so let's go to the fridge and organize them. And guys, that is it. At least our fridge, we have some food. We're gonna freeze those one because I'm not using them anytime. And I've decided the only fruits I'm going to keep here are the pawpaws. Because these bananas, I don't think hata zitakaa hapa sana. Naila love bananas so much. And oranges. I haven't seen the need of kuzieka kwa fridge. So, yes. Nimeweka hizi hapa. I want to make something for myself. Yeah. So guys, we are done. And I've made myself some fruits. So we have banana, pawpaw. This pawpaw is lapping. It's so yummy. And some watermelon. Yeah. I was so hungry. This is what I needed. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a nice comment. And I'll see you on another one. Guys, something else. I was told nisidai nywele because nataka kulea. So kama nataka kulea, niwache hii shade off. And then niachane na mambo za color. I do what? Niachane na mambo za color. Ndio hii ngoke. Hii outgrown the unwanted hair issue. So yes, I guess you're going to see more of these until we know the way forward. I feel like I want to grow back my hair. Sometimes I feel that, sometimes I feel I don't want, but anyway, we'll go with the mood. So thank you for watching. See you on another one.